So labels are a great way to organize the pantry, and I love our brass labels. They're so pretty and they're easy to wipe clean and use a dry erase marker and put a new word on there, so you're not committed to one thing in the bin. Very easy to switch out. For us, making lunches the night before helps us keep our mornings very calm and smooth. And so to make lunch making easy for the kids to do themselves, we have our school snacks all on a row together and labeled as school snacks. So pre-packed snacks are obviously a premium. They're meant for school snacks only, and it's very easy for the kids to see that. When they come home from school and they want a snack, they can use some of the snacks in the larger bags. I love our black bins that are stackable to really maximize the space. And most things that we have in here are translucent, so it's very easy to see what's in the bin. In some cases, we use opaque materials like bamboo bins, like up here for Mom's Special Chocolates, which you're not allowed to eat. And so those are perfectly held up high and in a box that you can't see through.